Hey, Jake taking tips. Here it is, TTL 75 inch. So we're gonna try to go from this, not from this 55 inch to this 75 inch up here. So follow me. Here we are, guys. Got the TCL 75 inch. Unboxing. It's going to be a project, guys. Now into the meat and potatoes. Not saying that I'm perfect, but I do have a little bit of experience. I worked at a television refurbishing company, like a television recycling company. And I learned a lot about transporting televisions, assembly, putting them together and different things like that. So I'm not coming in completely blind. Now there's one thing there was about these. I was reading online saying that depending on how you have them, if they're going to go straight like this or at an angle. But we're going to be using our mount for the television. All right, now the hardest part is done. Out of this big box, we got to set up here. And right here, where we're going to mount our brackets. Here and here, and here and here. And that's gonna go right there. Okay, now the mounting brackets, got those installed. Now it comes with this hard part, lifting this television up. Now my lovely assistant's gonna help with the freshness test. I'm gonna go for this side. Right, and now we'll be back. One second. Now for the peel test. Just a little tidbit, little tip for you. Right here in the corner, there's a little piece of plastic, if you can see it. That's why I stopped the video. I thought that I had peeled off some of the television with this thick tape, but this is actually like a little bumper that's right here. So if you see that when you're doing your peel test, don't be alarmed like I was. All right, guys, got it all set up. Let's check the first power test and see. All right, guys, first power on test. Don't mind the wires, they will be fixed. Google TV. All right, we'll be back once it's set up. And there you have it. TCL 75 inch 5 series. All set up and ready to go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think about it. If you're thinking about getting one of these. Wasn't too hard to install. One thing I will tell you, you will need 2 people to lift this television. And the stand, like I said before, the stand that it's on is from Walmart. It says it's rated to 70 inch for 70 inch TVs, but a 75 inch works just fine. Alright, thanks guys. See you in the next video.